guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and seeing this face for the first time, hello, my name is Jeevna and welcome to my channel Glamhairous, where I make videos of hairstyles, and this video is about celebrity inspired hairstyle and I'm going to do Samantha inspired hairstyle. So yeah, are you excited? So let's get into the video without any further ado. So for the first hairstyle, part your hair in the middle till the nape of your neck. On one side, tie your hair into a ponytail. On the other side, we are gonna take a small section like this and part it into 3 sections. Take your right strand under the middle and then your left strand under the middle. Now again take your right strand under the middle and add hair from the sides to the strand like this. And then take your left strand under the middle, add hair to the middle strand. As you are done with the first turn, repeat these same steps until the nape of your neck. Now I'm gonna keep my mouth shut and let you concentrate on the braid. As you are done doing a Dutch braid, continue to braid and then tie it with an elastic, and then we are going to repeat the same process on the other side as well. I have taken out the fringe. It's your choice if you would want them or not. Tie the braid with an elastic, leaving a small portion of hair, or you can even braid the whole thing. You can lightly pull the braid and also ignore my expressions. Now just tie both the braids. This depends on length of your hair. For my hair length, I have got 3 knots. 1, 2 and 3. After you're done, just push the remaining sections into the bun like this to hide it, and then secure the bun with a bobby pin. And yep, we are done with the first hairstyle. And this hairstyle is inspired by Samantha in Family Man series 2. For the second hairstyle, we are gonna keep the middle partition and on one side part them again straight in the middle. It's like half and a half, and flip them up. Now take a small section of hair just above your ear and divide it into 2. Now take a small section of hair from your left strand, cross it over, add it to your right strand. And then a small section from your right strand, cross it over, add it to the left strand. Now take a small section of your hair from left strand, add hair to that small strand, cross it over and add it to the right strand. This is just like a French fishtail braid but on the side. Now just take a small section from your right strand and add hair from the sides to that small strand and then cross it over and add it to your left strand. Now repeat these same steps until the mid part of your hair. Now I'm gonna keep the upper section away and then continue my braid. Now I'm gonna stop braiding here and secure it with a bobby pin. I'm gonna repeat the same steps with this section too. Just take a small section and then divide it into half. Take a small section from your left strand and cross it over, add it to your right strand. And then take a small section from your right strand and then cross it over, add it to your left strand. Now just start adding hair from both the sides to the braid. If you are not comfortable doing the side braid first, then you can also do this braid first and then continue to do the side braid. And we are going to repeat the same on this side as well. I'm going to continue to do the fishtail braid on the side. The process is the same that we have done on the other side, so I'm going to skip explaining on this side. This hairstyle is really very time consuming. If you are planning to do this hairstyle, then things to note is you need a lot of time and also a lot of patience. But this hairstyle is looking so pretty after you're done, so your time and your patience shows off. Don't worry. This top reminds me of OPB days of Samantha. As there is no remaining hair to add into the braid, you can just do a regular fishtail braid. Doing this made the hairstyle look more beautiful. Look at this, it looks beautiful, right? But damn, it takes so much time, guys. And that's it, guys, we are done with the hairstyle. This hairstyle looks so beautiful that I don't regret the time consumed by this hairstyle. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below if you like these hairstyles. Bye bye, take care of yourself.